Hello all, welcome to my channel Chip Talks with Madan. Today we are going to see what is VLSI and why VLSI and importance of VLSI and its applications. Okay, before diving into these concepts, okay, let us see how the smartphones or any smart TVs or any electronic gadgets are working. Okay, let's see how it works. First, hello all. Sorry, hello all. Welcome to Chip Talks with Madan. Okay. Today we are going to see what is VLSI. Second one is why VLSI. And third one is its importance. Fourth one is applications. Okay. Before going into this, let us see how the smartphones, smart TV, anything smartwatch, it works. Okay. Okay. Do you think how the smartphones, smart TVs are work? Okay. Okay. First of all, inside smartphones, smart TV, we have a chip. Okay. Chip is nothing but containing thousands to billions of transistors. Okay. Resistors, capacitors. Okay. By combining this, we will design chip. Okay. This process is known as VLSI. First of all, VLSI stands for very large scale, very large scale, very large scale very large scale integration. Okay, because in this VLSI we will design thousands to billions of transistor in chip. Okay, chip is nothing but you will hear about an like a processors memory. Okay, inside that we only have that transistors, resistors, capacitors. Okay, it's like it's about it about have thousands to thousand to billions of transistors. Okay, we can say resistors also and capacitors also. Capacitors. Okay, okay. This is known as VLSI. Okay, like we are having mobile phone. Okay, if you touch the mobile phone, okay, any touching any application. Okay, inside if you're touching application, okay, it will get the data as a binary input. Binary input means zeros and ones. All computers and uh, smartphones, any electronic gadgets are working under binary data. Okay, zeros and ones. Okay, if we are using mobile phones, okay, on or off, it will send the data as binary data. Okay, zeros or ones. Okay, with the data it will works. Okay, that process, that's our designing, no, thousands to billions of transistor we are designing, no, inside a chip. Okay, this process is known as VLSI. Okay, if anyone asks, do you know VLSI? Okay, what is VLSI stands for? Okay, how the chips are made. Okay, what is the use of chip means? Okay, for a specific condition. Okay, like we want to open an application or we want to on the mobile phone. Okay, so we need an energy. Okay, we need an certain data. Okay, the data are on triggered by the transistors on or off conditions. Okay, next dive into this today video. Okay, first one is what is VLSI? Okay, what is VLSI? I'm already told VLSI stands for very logical integration. Okay, why VLSI? Means what is VLSI means designing chips. Okay, inside the chips we have thousands to billions of transistors. Okay, so it's about VLSI. Okay, VLSI is building chips, building building chips, building chips of thousands to billions, billions of transistors. Okay, it's about VLSI. Okay, transistors, resistors, next capacitors. Okay, VLSI is building chips. Building chips. Okay, inside the chip we have thousands to billions of transistors, resistors, capacitor. Okay, and moreover, it is not only used in smartphones. Okay, we are using in all electronic gadgets in our home, like smart TV, smart watch, and washing machine, AC. Any all gadgets, like we have car. Okay, inside that car there are a lot of electronics we are using. Okay, next, why VLSI? Second one is why VLSI? Why VLSI? What is the use of VLSI? Why we need to develop VLSI? Okay, the revolution of VLSI means, okay, before VLSI, the electronic component size is very much big. Okay, we can't take and travel to any place. Okay, like we can consider in computer olden days. Inside that room, okay, room inside that room we have in a uh, computer. Okay, they occupy one room. Okay, so we can't take this computer to travel anywhere. Okay, but after VLSI revolution, the size of the electronic components, okay, electronic devices, and power consumption, mainly power consumption, okay, and speed, okay, speed also reduced. All are speed has increased. Okay, size is very reduced, speed is increased. Okay, it's about VLSI. First one is why VLSI means, like we can tell, it's about size is very reduced. Okay, very reduced. Okay, next one is um, size is very reduced. Okay, next one is power consumption. Power consumption is very low. Power consumption is very low. Okay, and speed is very fast. Like we can tell, we consider an iPhone 13 and with iPhone 17. Okay, the speed of the iPhone 13 is comparatively slow to iPhone 17, because in the iPhone 13 we have used some technologies. Okay, in that technology the speed will be less, but now we are using we are using current technology. Okay, 2 nanometer technology. So that speed of the mobile, okay, mobile or processor, okay, processor is something but chip. Okay, the chip, okay, it will perform very well operations compared to iPhone 13. So every year by year the VLSI revolution become popular. Okay, it's about VLSI. First one is size, second one is power consumption, and the third one is speed. Next, its importance. Okay, its importance very importance. All in know we are studied. Importance is importance. Its importance is like okay. I told importance means size. First of all, size. Okay, size is very reduced. We can consider television. Okay, not about leave it about a smartphone. Okay, consider television. Okay, before smart TV, we have like a big size TV. Okay, after the VLSI evolution, the size of the television will be reduced, and nowadays we have an thin size smart TVs. Okay, it's all about VLSI. First one is um, size. Second one is power consumption. Power consumption is very low. Same. Okay, and it not only used in, okay, we are using in memory also will be increased. Okay, using this VLSI, memory size also increased. So increased. Okay, next, speed is very fast compared to other technologies. Fast. Okay, This is all about its importance. Next, applications. Applications are easy, we can know. Applications of VLSI. Okay. First one is like smartphones. Smartphones. Next, second one is TV. Smart TV, laptop, and and computers. Next, we have medical electronics. In medical field also, we are using electronics. In that side also, we are using some of VLSI, okay, to minimize the size of the component, okay, to carry from any one place to another place, okay. Third one is medical electronics. Medical electronics, okay. And we can tell our home. In our home we have some machines like washing machine, TV, refrigerator, all that we have uh, we are using the VLSI, okay. um, TV and washing machine, washing machine, AC, okay. In that we are using VLSI, okay. Finally we'll conclude that video. Conclusion is first, VLSI means very logical integration. Okay, it's about designing the thousands to billions of transistor in a single chip integrated circuit. Okay, it's about VLSI. If someone asks what is VLSI, do you know VLSI? What is VLSI means? Tell directly. VLSI is the nothing but designing of thousands to billions of transistor in a single ICs. Okay, single integrated chip. Okay, it's all about VLSI. Why VLSI important means to reduce the size of the to reduce the size of the electronic components, electronic devices, and power consumption to increase speed of the devices. Okay, we are using VLSI, and where it is used means smartphones, smart TVs, and medical electronics, TV, washing machine, ACs. Okay, this is all about VLSI. Okay, in upcoming days we will see VLSI topics. What should we learn? Okay, and how to enter into VLSI domain. Okay, and we will see the what are the technologies inside VLSI. Okay, how chips are manufactured. Okay, let's end this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye from Madan.